you sing? Oh, can you jubilate sitting in cages, never taking wing? Outside the sky reads beckoning, beckoning, just beyond the Mars. How can you remain staring at the rain, maddened by the stars? How is it you see? Anything, how is it you see? Green finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you see? Whence comes this melody constantly flowing? Is it rejoicing or merely hallowing? Are you discussing or fussing or simply dreaming? Are you crowing? Are you screaming? Green dove and robinet, is it for wages, singing to be sold? Have you decided it's safer in cages, singing when you're told? My cage has many rooms, damask and dark. Nothing there seems, not even my lock. Dogs never will you know when they're captive. Teach me to be more adaptive. Green finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to sing. If I cannot fly, let me sing.
I have sailed the world, beheld its wonders, from the pearls of Spain to the rubies of Tibet, but not even in London have I seen such a wonder. Lady, look at me, miss, oh look at me, please, oh favor me with your glance. Ah, miss, what do you see off there in those trees? Oh, won't you give me a chance? Who would sail to Spain for all its wonder, when in Kearney's Lane lies the greatest wonder yet? Ah, miss, look at you, pale and ivory-skinned. Oh, look at you, looking so sad, so queer. Promise not to retreat to the darkness back of your window. Not so you look down here. Look at me.
Green finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird,
Look at me.